on the microgrid here, we have a good example of a slider. Now, over here, we have a slider top. That occurred at 1140. Okay. Now, if you swing over to the 15-minute time frame, we have a slider bottom. And as we proceed to 1140, that began to take off. Now, that is the reason why you need to swing from time frame to time frame. Okay. If you went short here, okay, we had a reversal up and a trend went up. Now over here, we have a slider bottom there, meaning growth. But at 1140, it began to rally. So you ignore this one here. It's going to be reversal up, and the 15-minute time frame a little bit more dependable, and it went up. Okay, so again, we had a slider here, you have a slider here, and you have a slider here. Okay, uh, decaying fractal here, decaying fractal here, a growth fractal here. So you have to go from time frame to time frame. Again, today's not a really good example because we have the low volume and all that, and we're only moving point to point. But the point being, on a longer time frame, you can detect the sliders. But again, you have to go from time frame to time frame and pick out the most reliable uh, slider, standalone fractal. And today, it occurred on the 15-minute time frame. You would go along here. We broke the top of the fractal here, meaning we'll continue higher. But again, we're only moving point for point here today. I wouldn't want to trade it. But again, a good example of the common standalone fractals appearing uh, every minute, every hour, daily, weekly, monthly. But again, you have to go from time frame to time frame, and you have to study the fractals and find out which would be the dependable. And the bottom here at 1115, okay, negated the 10-minute time frame. So again, slider, slider, slider. They appear all the time. I call it the golden fractal. It's the most dependable, reoccurring, never-ending fractal that will denote a top and a bottom, bottom, top, bottom, top. But you have to use the time frames to determine if it's going to reverse or continue to go up. Okay, right now, we have a top here. Again, not a good example. We're on small time frames. We have the holiday, but I wanted to point out that the fractals do reappear all the time pretty clearly. Okay, Hank Verdicki signing off.